I found that with conventional medicine, the only answer that they seem to have is a pharmaceutical solution. I've seen too many people get on that train and it just builds and builds. You never get off. I didn't want to do that. I wanted to try a different approach, and I found that here. My name is Diane. I first came to see Dr. Magaziner because I was interested in the bioidentical hormone therapy. It is everything that it was cracked up to be. It's like turning back the clock. I feel a difference in my body, mentally. I was able to come completely off of blood pressure meds a year ago. It's like a fountain of youth. I'm 72 years old and I don't feel any differently than I did when I was 40. Dr. Magaziner is very knowledgeable. I always learn something when I come here. I think what I like the most about him is he is more concerned with wellness and preventing disease rather than dealing with it after the fact. I feel great. Absolutely come here without a doubt.